Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It is still quite slow, even though Bitcoin starts to move a little bit. A lot of the altcoins are affected, especially the AI coins are moving quite a bit today. Bitcoin's still slow, but it's holding support, and it left our support area there, our trend reversal area to the upside. It needs a sustained break, however, above the current level, because this is sort of micro resistance. However, Bitcoin reached the highest price since yesterday, basically. But it needs to break above this high. It still hasn't really done that. It peaked a little bit above it, but it really needs to take it above 36,860. And it could still fail here, yeah. But this starts to look a bit like an ascending triangle pattern, not so much like a channel. So if you look at this, could be a bit of an ascending triangle here that ideally would break to the upside, but we'll see. I mean, the support level is holding, as you know. The idea is still that here with our yellow wave count, there is a good chance to get one more high here in this extension in wave 5 of 1 before we start a larger pullback in wave 2 into the green support area between 27,290 and 32,330. This is going to be a significant pullback, which, yeah, ideally it starts here somewhere in this region because the minimum requirements for this wave 1 are complete. But as I said to you, it would still look better with one more high. And that one more high could sort of reach 40K to 42K. But it needs to give us some evidence for that. At the moment, yes, we have highlighted here the potential 5-wave move to the upside. If you watched the previous videos, then you know that this is sort of the expectation still. I will change the expectation with a break below 35,450. That would indicate that we could see a deeper pullback, either in a reset of wave 4, which at the moment I assume finished on Wednesday or Tuesday actually with this low. But that can still reset and we can start to do the 5th wave a little later. Or it is going to be the A wave of wave 2. It will take a while to figure out if what we are seeing, in case micro support breaks, if that is wave 4 or just the A wave of a much deeper pullback. Either way, we are in a situation in which the wave 1 could top any time. Maybe it already topped. If it already topped, it's not very evident yet. Bitcoin is very hesitant and doesn't really want to go down, very stubborn. And we already highlighted that we would prefer another extension higher. If we get another extension higher, what are the specific targets? So the extension higher would consist of 5 waves. We might have seen already wave 1 and wave 2. It would have to be a diagonal pattern. So it's not very desirable to trade it because diagonals are always a bit messy. We have 3 waves up here into the 16th of November high, or it was actually, Wednesday, Thursday. A very deep pullback, which would be a wave 2. And the 3rd wave should unfold right now. It would have to be an ABC structure, okay? And the minimum expectation for this 3rd wave is the 100% extension level of wave 1. That's the absolute minimum. So it needs to move to 38,728, plus minus a few dollars depending on which exchange you're looking at. But ideally, we would be talking about 39,525 plus. So that would be the ideal target, yeah? That level and maybe the 1.38 extension. So minimum 38,730, ideal 39,525 and 40K. Then we should get a wave 4 pullback, and then a wave 5 can take us to the next extension levels, for example, 40,850 up to 42K. Now, this would be ideal. I still don't really have a very good micro count here. I mean, difficult to say. Best I can say is that maybe this is obviously the 3rd wave would unfold as an ABC structure. This here could be an A wave, possibly, yeah. Maybe the B wave here, and then the C wave is unfolding now. But again, that might be only the C wave of an even larger A wave, B, C. So we just need to be a little bit careful and not try to figure out the nano count, you could say, the micro count within a corrective structure, because again, the third wave would be an ABC structure. We'll see how that plays out. I did explain to you in the previous video, because it will probably be an ending diagonal that's unfolding due to this move up, which was only in 3 waves. We don't necessarily need to look for 5 waves up. Yeah, because it can be a diagonal, which is a corrective structure. Or not the diagonal is corrective, but the subwaves are. So the wave 3 would be an ABC structure. The wave 4 would be, and the wave 5. So yeah, it's trying to move higher now above 36.9K. It's going to be interesting towards the weekly candle close. I will keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. There's additional content there every single day about trading mindset, psychology, Elliott Wave, technical analysis, and there are also some short-term updates and signals. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.